New Yorker Hotel, room 3327. January 1943.
A man dies alone, surrounded only by pigeons and blueprints of a future he had already seen.
To the world, he was a mad scientist. To history, he was the man who harnessed the lightning.
But to himself, he was a keeper of secrets.
He claimed the universe had a code. He claimed numbers were the key to God. His name was Nikola Tesla. And this is not just a biography. It is the story of a mind that lived a century too soon. During a fierce lightning storm in 1856, Tesla arrived in America with nothing but 4 cents in his pocket and a mind full of dangerous ideas. He envisioned a world powered by alternating current, a safe, efficient way to light up the globe. But brilliance always attracts powerful adversaries. Thomas Edison, the champion of direct current, saw Tesla not as a pioneer, but as a threat to his empire. The war of currents began. It wasn't just a technical dispute, it was a battle between corporate greed and human progress. Edison used fear-mongering and smear campaigns, but truth couldn't be kept in the dark. Tesla won the war, lighting up the World's Fair in Chicago. He brought light to humanity, but in doing so, he signed his own financial doom. Tesla's ambitions didn't stop at wires. He wanted to give the world free, wireless energy. He believed that the Earth itself could transmit power to anyone, anywhere, completely free of charge. In Long Island, he began building the Wardenclyffe Tower, a colossal structure meant to wireless light up the Atlantic. But the moment his wealthy investors realized that free energy meant no electric bills to collect, they pulled the plug. The tower was demolished for scrap metal. The inventions that formed the foundation of our modern world, the remote control, radio, neon lights, and wireless tech, were stripped from his name. Stranded in isolation, betrayed by the world he tried to save, Tesla once wrote, "The present is theirs. The future, for which I really worked, is mine."